Every YouTuber wants their video to rank high on YouTube, but just a small percentage understands exactly the secret to massive views. And the answer to that is not a mystery, rather it's YouTube SEO. In this video, you'll learn how to rank higher on YouTube in 2022. Be sure to watch this video till the end to find out. Hey guys, welcome to Money Machine. Here we will be guiding you with exact step-by-step process on how you could start making money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification as you don't want to miss on new ways to making money online. Also, if you enjoy making money online, click on the first link in the description to know how I make money with YouTube. So, without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. Many a time, people look at some of the successful YouTube channels we have around and think they started successfully. But the reality is that every single channel started with 0 views and 0 subscribers. It took them effort to implement YouTube SEO strategies to get to where they are. This is a strategy that just about anyone, you included, can implement and get massive views. So, we're going to walk you through the 4 strategies that will help your videos to rank higher on YouTube. And these include using keywords, metadata, making longer videos, categorizing your videos, including closed captions and subtitles. The first strategy is to focus your keyword. YouTube, like search engines, works by matching users' search terms with available relevant results. Therefore, it's always important to use the right keywords for your videos for them to rank higher on YouTube. But how do you get the right keyword for your video? Well, all this boils down to intense research to achieve the right keywords. There are 2 ways you can find the right keyword for your video. The first one is using YouTube suggestions, and the second one is using free or paid keyword research tools. Let's begin with YouTube suggestions. Just open the youtube.com website and head over to the YouTube search bar. You can now type in a keyword that reflects your video idea. A list of related suggestions pops up in the drop-down menu, which you can use as keywords. You can even open some of the videos suggested in the drop-down menu to see how your competitors are framing their keywords in the titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. This gives you a clue on the right keywords and how you can frame them. There is also the use of keyword research tools. This helps you to find the most popular search term that you can use for your video. There are several keyword research tools available for use, but the most popular ones are RFs, SEMrush, Keywords Everywhere, and keywordtool.io. For instance, if we choose keywordtool.io, you'll just visit their website and select your search engine, and for our case it's YouTube. Thereafter, enter your chosen keyword, your location, and click search. A list of related keywords for that particular country chosen will appear, which you can use in your titles and the content of your video. And even though keywordtool.io is beginner-friendly and comes with a free version, there is a pro version that's premium and gives you more tips like the CPC, competition, and comparison of search volumes. When speaking about keywords, we cannot forget to mention script writing. It is always important to include relevant keywords into your script to enable the video to rank high on YouTube. And even as you use different keywords, it's always important to keep the script engaging and straight to the point. This is because viewers have very limited attention to a video, and would only stick around if the intro is short enough and reveals exactly what the video is all about and why they should keep watching. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you in any way. The second strategy to rank high on YouTube is metadata. If you're just wondering what exactly is metadata, then we got you covered. Metadata in simple terms is data that is used to provide information about other data. Now, to achieve a successful YouTube video rank, you'll need to focus your optimization efforts on 3 key areas, and that's on thumbnails, video title, and the description of the video. So, let's begin with thumbnails, and in this case, you need to create visually appealing thumbnails that can grab the attention of potential viewers, thereby increasing the number of views on your video. And as always, the more the views, the higher a video will rank on YouTube search results. It is always recommended to include a human face with emotions while designing a thumbnail. Also, you'll need to use up to a maximum of 6 words when designing a thumbnail. Another important piece of metadata is the video title. In this case, you'll need to select target keywords that you'll use in the video title. It is always recommended to add keywords towards the beginning of the title to increase the chances of your video ranking high on YouTube search results. The other significant metadata that you'll want to give special attention to is the video description. A video description helps to give context to your video, enabling search engines to detect what the video is about and hence ranking it higher. To get a good rank, it's recommended to use keywords within the first 30 words of your description. And even though YouTube only displays the first 125 characters of your description, it is good to write about double that number with a target of 250 words if you can. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. Before moving on to the next strategy, it's important to mention tags as another significant metadata that needs to be considered while preparing your video for upload. Video tags are not visible to the viewers, and so you can add as many variations of keywords as you want, but it's always recommended to keep the number below 500 characters. Tags help your video to pop up whenever a user searches for related content. Therefore, ensure the tags used are relevant to the content of the video. For instance, if your keyword is Instagram hacks, you could use tags like Instagram hacks, life hacks, social media hacks, social media, among others. The good thing is that there are tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ, which can help you to know the tags that competitors are using. And so by using such tags as used by your competitors, your video will equally begin to show up in the Up Next section whenever someone watches other videos. The third strategy to rank high on YouTube is making longer, interesting videos. YouTube algorithms care a lot about watch time. In fact, most of the top-ranking videos on YouTube are lengthy. You'll be surprised that one of the factors that YouTube uses to rank videos is the total view duration. Therefore, the secret is not just in making longer videos, rather making sure that the videos are interesting and keep the viewer engaged all through. The longer you watch a video, the more engaged you are and the more likely you're to watch more videos and many ads as well. To keep your viewers entertained all through, you can make use of attractive graphics, animations, and visuals in your video to keep the video unique. It's always important to keep track of the video metrics to know the exact content your viewers like and give them what they love. You can achieve that by comparing the watch time of your previous videos, and this will give you an idea of a particular topic or video style that your audience enjoys. The fourth strategy to help you rank high on YouTube is categorizing your videos. It is always important to categorize your videos when you upload them on YouTube. This helps viewers to easily get a particular video of their choice by simply searching using advanced options. That means if your video is contextualized under a category given by YouTube, it will pop up whenever someone searches for videos in that category. Before uploading, be sure to choose a category that is closest to your video content, like say film, pets, or animals. And finally, including closed captions and using subtitles is another strategy you can use to help your videos rank high on YouTube. YouTube comes with an automatic captioning feature, which can be turned off. This feature helps people who have a hearing problem to get the content of the video. It is advisable to turn on closed captions, as this helps to boost your video SEO. Unfortunately, the automatic captions by YouTube are not entirely accurate and may mislead viewers or not help boost your video SEO. It is therefore recommended to edit the auto captions or upload your own to make them SEO friendly. Subtitles, on the other hand, represent a translation of the video dialogue. This makes the video content be accessed by people who don't understand the language the video is recorded in. Closed captions and subtitles are similar to a transcript as it contains the text that's spoken in the video as well as the time codes. By using closed captions and subtitles, you make your video accessible to users from any location around the world. This helps to increase the watch time of your video, making it rank high on YouTube. That's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, then smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. And if you guys want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started.